All right, welcome back. And today we got a cool video that I want to share with you guys and talk about because this is something that is a credit card that's really popular. So we're doing another credit card video today. So go ahead and give this a like, even if you don't have this credit card just yet. But today I want to talk about the Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card. Now, I actually do have this credit card myself. I do like it. So spoiler alert, I do like this card a lot. And there also will be a link down in the description if you guys want to sign up for this card. It is an affiliate link of mine, so it doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does give me some points if you guys do sign up. So I'd appreciate if you decide to use that. Now, I want to talk about this card here because this is one of the more popular Chase cards that they have. This is actually the second credit card I ever got from Chase. I got a Southwest one, which was also with Chase, and I got this one. Now, what's cool about this credit card right now is the bonus you can actually get on this is even higher than what I got. So when I first got this credit card, they were offering an $80,000, excuse me, 80,000 point bonus after you spent $4,000 in the first 3 months. So spending $4,000 in 3 months is not a problem. I got 80,000 points, but now as of the making of this video, they're doing a 100,000 bonus point offer. So that is huge. You can take the 100,000 points, you can redeem those for cash. So you can redeem them for $1,000 in cash, or you can take those 100,000 points and use them for up to $1,250 on travel, groceries, dining. It's one of the best bonuses I think they've ever offered for this Chase Sapphire Preferred card. So I liked it before, and now it's an even sweeter deal if you're able to sign up and get those 100,000 bonus points. Now, this is considered by a lot of people to be a good card to have, especially if you do like to travel. I travel a fair amount, but I don't travel as much. People who really travel a lot are probably going to want the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. And I did do a video comparing the preferred card and the reserve card. You guys can check that out after this. But we're going to be talking today really just about the Chase Sapphire Preferred and what it has to offer. What are some of the things that make it a great card and that kind of thing. So if you're going to get the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, the minimum limit you're going to get approved for is $5,000. And the amount it can be up to, it just totally depends on your income, what you can qualify for. Maybe it'll ask for extra documentation from you. Those are all things that can happen. So, but that's what you're looking at as far as the minimum limit when you get approved. If you ever want to do an increase, it is going to be a hard pull if you do request a increase on your credit limit. The annual fee for the preferred is only $95. I mean, and that's with the 80,000 points I got or the 100,000 points you're going to get if you sign up, after this video. I mean, that annual fee of $95 to me is really nothing compared to the value you're getting just from all of those points. So the intro APR, there is no introductory APR. The normal APR is 15.99% to 22.99%. Cash advance APR, you're looking at 24.99%. If you need to do a balance transfer or if you need to do a cash advance, balance transfer is going to be $5 or 5% of the amount, whichever is higher. Cash advance, $10 or 5% of the transaction amount, whichever is higher. There's no foreign transaction fees, fortunately. And then also, if you get a late payment, you're looking at up to $40 for a late payment. Over the credit limit, none. Return payment, there's a fee of up to $40 for that. Return check, none. And authorized users, unlimited amount that you can add, and there's no fee if you add authorized users on this card. They do have some really good rewards for the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. So some of the common rewards they're going to get are 2 points for every dollar you spend on travel and dining at restaurants, 1 point for every dollar you spend on all of the purchases. As I mentioned earlier, the welcome bonus with the Sapphire Preferred right now is 100,000 bonus points, man. And you just spend $4,000 in the first 3 months. You have 3 months to spend $4,000. For most people, even if you're in a lower cost of living part in America, 4,000 in 3 months is probably going to be pretty doable for most of the population. If you live in a higher cost of living area, and you have any big purchases coming up, then you can definitely make that happen. And as I said earlier, it is worth $1,250. You can use those 100,000 points for travel, groceries, or dining, or you can just redeem them for $1,000 cash. You got quite a few options what you can do with all those points after you earn them. The Ultimate Rewards bonus is 25%. Credits, you get none with this card, but it's okay because, that wasn't a huge factor for me, but just the points alone that you get with this card are pretty cool. So there are some additional perks that you can get with this card. Now, one of the big things you're going to get with the Chase Sapphire Preferred card is that your points, if you use them in the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, they're actually worth 25% more than just getting a one-to-one ratio. So for example, if you had 60,000 bonus points that are worth $600, but if you're going to buy a plane ticket with a Chase Sapphire Preferred card, but you go through the Chase's Ultimate Rewards portal to buy that ticket, then the value of your points actually increases 25% to $750. So 60,000 bonus points worth $600 in cash, just for this example. But that $600 in cash is actually worth $750 in cash if you buy something through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. Okay, now that's an awesome perk to have. Some of the other perks you're going to get, you can get statement credits towards Peloton Digital and All Access memberships, up to $60 for preferred if you have that. And you get Dash Pass, complimentary Dash Pass worth up to $200 for a minimum of a year. If you take Lyft a lot, you get bonus rewards on Lyft purchases. You get 10 times the points, 5 times the points for the preferred card through March 2022. Foreign transaction fees, like I said earlier, there's none. Purchase protection, you're going to get all of these. Purchase protection, extended warranty protection, trip cancellation, interruption insurance, auto rental collision damage waiver, baggage delay insurance, trip delay reimbursement, travel and emergency assistance services with the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Now, if you choose to get this card, obviously you think this is going to be up to everyone's own preference, right? I liked this Chase Sapphire Preferred card. The fee is $95 for the year. Big thing, a lot of people look between Chase Sapphire Preferred and the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. Big thing with the Reserve card is the annual fee. The annual fee on that card being significantly higher than the preferred card. So the annual fee for the Reserve is actually $550 on that card. But if you travel a lot, they do give you lots of extra perks and things like that. And like I mentioned earlier, I do have a video comparing these two cards you can check out. So if you travel a fair amount, I think the preferred card is going to be, plenty good for you. Whether you're using it for travel or for just everyday purchases or whatever the case may be. One thing you do want to know, though, some people may look at this and say, well, why don't I just get both of these cards, right? The preferred and the Reserve. Well, one of the things you want to know is you cannot hold both of these cards at the same time. And if you want to, have one card and then, get rid of it and try to sign up for the other one and get the bonus for that later, you have to wait at least 48 months. So you have to wait 4 years between earning the sign-up bonus on one card before you can earn it on the other. So Chase is known for being strict with some of their requirements that they have for their cards and some of the rules that they have. And one of those famous rules is the 524 rule. If you're not familiar with it, that means your chance of getting approved for a card with Chase, if you have opened 5 or more personal cards in the last 24 months across any bank, across anywhere, then you're much less likely to get approved for a card through Chase. So if you're someone who's early in, building your credit, trying to get credit cards, oftentimes people will encourage you to go to Chase first because you don't have any credit cards and maybe you only have one credit card. So you're going to be underneath that 5 cards within a 24-month period. It's easier if you're at the beginning of building your credit and getting credit cards where, if you're getting a few credit cards every single year, you're not going to be able to do that with Chase. So some people call it 524 jail. It means they just have to wait it out until they're done, until their other credit cards or their other inquiries fall off their credit reports, so they can apply with Chase. They can be under that 5 cards in 24 months rule. So if you're early in the process, this can be a great card for you. I would really encourage you to take a look at this card. I have it. I like it. The Reserve card is good as well, but I do like this preferred card. Link is down below in the description if you want to go ahead and get that. I appreciate you watching. If there's anything I missed in this video, please tell me about it down in the comments section. That's going to be it for this video. I will see you again soon.